Good morning everyone, my name is Eric, and we got some breaking news to report. This morning, an unknown creature was spotted running around people's houses and starts to make strange sound noises. This unknown creature has not yet been revealed yet, but we will bring you more updates as soon as we get it. If this unknown creature makes a strange sound outside of your house, do not look at it. Instead, cover your ears to avoid the strange sound. Stay tuned for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Police. At around 11:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown creature was reported to be running around people's houses and starts to make strange sounds and killing people it sees in sight. The creature has now been identified. The creature name is Will.EXE, similar to the other Will from Everything's Rosy. All residents of the United States are advised to stay at home and do not go outside under any circumstances. Will.EXE is harmful and dangerous and should not be approached.
And if you plan to watch Everything's Rosy,
or make grounded videos out of Will, do not do it, as it is going to direct Will.EXE to your location. Stay tuned to this station for further updates as it becomes available.
Rabbi Yethlin, child at heart, stop! Stop at what you are doing. Don't make a grounded videos out of Will. It's not safe.
Huh? What? Why is that Caitlin the Great? Is everything alright?
No rapper offline, child at heart, everything is not alright. The emergency alert system alerted us that Will.EXE is killing people, so I think it might be best for you to not make grounded videos out of Will. From what we heard, it's going to direct Will.EXE to our location.
But don't worry, Big Bear and Rosie is going to be on my vlog along with me, and Super Plush 2009.
Hello everyone, Super Plush 2009 here along with Daniel Phantom Ghost the 10th 2K975. As you all know, Will.EXE has been reported to be killing people around the United States of America. So if any of you see him, call 911.
So to everyone watching, So to everyone watching, Big Bear and Rosie will be speaking to your viewers shortly. Stand by.
Thank you Super Plush 2009 and Daniel Phantom Ghost. And whoever is out there, it's me, Rosie, along with Big Bear. We got a situation. One of our own, Will, has gone mad and evil. I don't know why he is like this, but he was never like this. Thank you Super Plush 2000 Thank you Super Plush 2009 and Daniel Phantom Ghost. And whoever is out there. Thank you Super Plush 2009 and Daniel Phantom Ghost. And whoever is out there, it's me, Rosie, along with Big Bear. We got a situation. One of our own, Will, has gone mad and evil. I don't know why he is like this, but he was never like this evil in the actual Everything's Rosie show. So if one of you sees Will, I mean, the other Will, do not trust him. And you need to get out of here right now. Do not try to fight him, just run. The user teams are going to do everything in their power to stop Will.EXE.
That's right. Like Rosie said, do not trust Will.EXE. And Will.EXE, if you're listening, you made a huge mistake coming to the United States and killing people. We will not let you destroy everything we know and love. The user teams are going to end you once and for all. And to the people, please stay safe out there. This is me, Big Bear, along with Rosie, signing off.
That was the message from Rosie and Big Bear. Anyways, thank you all for watching our vlog. We will sign off now.
Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you coming?
Magic carpet on a wheel.
Never takes a rest.
Flying through the mountains and the snow.
You can ride for free.
If you say yes, 'cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
You bet.
Woo woo, the whistle blows as the sun is singing. Ding ding, lowering.
Golly, look at it go.
Wondering if you'll get this. Anybody's guess.
'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
Civil danger warning. Repeat, civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Will.EXE is going on a rampage, killing people around the states of America. Our residents of the United States are advised to shelter in place. Close, lock and barricade all doors and windows. Take the supplies to your shelter such as food, water, clothing and medical supplies and the first aid kit. If Will.EXE breaks into your home, use armed protection. Stay tuned for more updates.
When we get there, we'll scream.
Yeah!
We'll arrive with
Bang, bang, bang!
nothing away.
It's a choo-choo with a stunning view that rivals all